Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to change the mower belt, also known as the deck drive belt, in a Snapper Pro S50 XT. We will start by setting aside the removable floor plate. We will then remove the fasteners for the pulley cover and the cover itself on the top of the deck. We will then remove a second pulley cover on the opposite side of the deck. With the foot plate and pulley covers removed, this will allow us to remove any old belt if necessary. We'll clean off the loose debris off of the PTO clutch at the bottom of the engine. We will then begin to pull the new belt around the PTO clutch at the bottom of the engine. Once the belt is around the PTO clutch at the bottom of the engine, we can start wrapping the belt around the pulleys as noted by the diagram. The belt diagram will be in a manual or a sticker located on the vehicle. As seen, the angled side of the belt goes into the angled groove pulleys, while the flat side of the belt goes to the flat pulleys. A breaker bar is being pulled on the spring anchor eye bolt to release tension on the pulleys and install the belt. Once the belt is checked again with the diagram and seated properly on the pulleys, the breaker bar can be removed. The pulley covers may then be reinstalled. Once the pulley covers are reinstalled, the foot plate can also be reinstalled. Thank you very much. I had a great time making this video and I hope you did watching it. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now and click the bell.